In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Public in just 5 minutes. Now, Tableau Public is a fantastic tool for creating interactive data visualizations with ease, and the best part is, it's free to use. Let's get started so you can dive into your data visualization journey without any hassle. First, open up your preferred web browser. You have a couple of options to find Tableau Public. You can either type Tableau Public into your search engine and hit enter, or simply go straight to the URL public.tableau.com. Both approaches will take you to the right place, so choose whichever you find most convenient. Once you're on the Tableau Public page, look for the Create drop-down menu. This will be prominently displayed on the home page, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it and you'll find various options available. We're interested in downloading the software, so click on the option that says Download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. This is the version available for free, specifically designed for public use. Before you can download the software, you'll need to fill out some registration details. This is a standard procedure where you'll provide information such as your email address. Take a moment to complete this form. Ensure your information is accurate to avoid any issues later on. After filling in your details, you'll be prompted to download the app. Click the Download the App button and wait for the file to finish downloading. The duration of this will depend on your internet speed, so grab a quick coffee if it's taking a little while. With the app downloaded, locate the execution file in your Downloads folder and double-click to begin the installation process. A setup wizard will guide you through the steps needed to install Tableau Public on your computer. You'll be asked to agree to the terms of the license agreement. This is a standard part of software installations, so go ahead and click the checkbox to accept. Additionally, you'll see an optional checkbox regarding the sharing of usage data with Tableau. You can choose to opt in or out of this based on your preference. Finally, click the Install button to complete the setup process. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, Tableau Public will automatically launch, and you'll be ready to start creating beautiful visualizations. Congratulations on successfully installing Tableau Public. Now you can explore its features and unleash your creativity. If you have any questions or run into issues, there are plenty of resources available online, or you can leave a comment and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.